probability. So we'll start with some basic probability concepts and then we will look at Bayes' theorem. Here we have two events. One event is whether a customer visited a website and spent, a customer who visited a website, whether that customer spent 15 minutes browsing. Okay? So two possibilities, yes or no. Okay? And then you have a second variable, that would be your target variable. So whether that customer purchased HDTV or not. So yes or no. And now this is the data that you have from your transaction database. So now if you define these events as V as having visited the site and spent 15 minutes browsing for large screen HDTV, and P is the event of purchasing a large screen TV. So now probability of V then, so V is that. Okay. So you have the margin. So these are called marginal probabilities because the probabilities come from the margin. So this will be like that divided by that. Now probability of P, whether purchased TV or not, that's also a marginal probability. So that will come from that divided by that. Okay. Now the intersection P and V, so that would be P and V is that cell. So you can go that cell divided by the total. So that will give you the joint probability of P and V. Now the union of P and V, or P or V, that is union, P union V. So the formula for that is the addition rule, where you go probability of P plus probability of V. Now that would include the intersection twice, so you have to subtract the intersection, then you get the probability of the union. Now conditional probability is V given P, okay, given that the customer purchased HDTV, what is the probability that the customer spent 15 minutes, at least 15 minutes browsing. So here this will be the intersection of P and V, so which is that, divided by probability of P. So that will give you the conditional probability.